Hello friends and welcome to a lecture on operation research. Today we will solve a transportation problem using Microsoft Excel, and in Excel we shall use solver. Well, solver is available under data. As you can see in the ribbon, it is on your right and top. So with that, let's get ahead to solve the problem. Well, if you use the usual methods taught in the textbooks to solve, they are quite cumbersome, and as the structure of the problem becomes big, solving transportation problems becomes difficult. You have to resort to computers. Remember, operation research wouldn't have got popular unless there were computers and software to solve complex problems. Here we have taken up a simple problem just to demonstrate how a transportation problem can be solved using Excel. The problem is on your screen. You have two factories. Factory 1 produces 400 units and factory 2 produces 500 units. Whatever they produced are supplied to customers 1, 2 and 3. The requirement of customer 1 is 300, the requirement of customer 2 is 200 and the requirement of customer 3 is 400 units. As we see, it's a balanced problem. That is because the order size of all the three customers is equal to the output of the two factories. So the customers can be satisfactorily supplied all the units, whatever they ordered for. Now, the problem here is that we have to see that what is the optimal way of sending the units to the customers. Why? Because if from factory number 1, customer number 1 is supplied the units, then it is going to cost $600 per unit. From the same factory 1, if customer 2 is supplied the units, it's going to cost $800. Well, from factory 2, if customer 1 is supplied the units, it's going to cost $400 per unit. And the rest of the cost written are self-explanatory. How do we supply the units to the customers while minimizing the cost of operation? Let's go ahead and solve it. For this, as you can see here, it's going to be pretty simple in solving in Excel. So copy down this entire table. Control C, that's for copy. And Control V, that's for paste. Once we have done that, take this column and shift it. Similarly, take this column and shift it. We are done. Now, let me slightly, yes, that's it. Now it's clear. After that, let's remove all the values here. And let's assume some value of supply. So that is the supply from factory to the customers. Remember, these are assumed values. Having done that, let us calculate the cost of supplying at such a assumed supply value. So it's going to be nothing but is equal to some product select this, that is the costs, and put a comma here and select the values of the supply. Having done that, now as we can see here, it's going to cost us $400,000 at the current supply level. But remember one thing, this is by no means optimal and correct. Well, the total supply to customer number 1 at such a supply scenario is going to be nothing but sum added 200. To customer number 2, it's 200. And to customer number 3 also it is 200. Now, what is going to be the rate at which factories are going to supply? It's nothing but sum, and we add this. That's it. So each factory is supplying only 300 units. As we can see, this is by no means optimal. Now to get the optimal solution while minimizing the cost, all we have to do is select the cell of the total cost, go to solver, then afterwards select this by changing cells. So select the supply cells and now add the constraints. So the constraints are going to be nothing but click add, select the current total supply to customers equal to, and select the maximum order size. Click add. Then afterwards, the supply from the factories equal to, and the maximum supply from the factories. Click add and click cancel. Now we are done with the constraints. Now click solve and we are done. So the total cost is now 540,000. And as you can see here, customer number 1 is going to receive the entire orders from factory number 2. Customer 2 is going to receive the entire order from factory number 1. And customer 3 is going to receive 200 and 200 units each from factory 1 and 2. And this is going to be, that is 540,000 is going to be the minimal cost. That's all, my friends. A simple way to solve it. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and do share this video with all your friends. Goodbye, friends. Have a great day. Have a great time.